Stephanie Garcia, and I'm back at it, another vlog to just give an update about how school, eBay, everything has been going. And today is April 10th, 2018, and I just want to go over like what's been going on. So tomorrow I have a test in my one class that I'm not doing too good in, so we'll see how that goes. Last week I had a test, so I haven't been able to do many videos. I have like quizzes and tests and projects due like every week for the next 4 weeks, so it's gonna be very, very intense. But anyway, so my eBay hasn't had any sales in like 2 days, and that's a little concerning. I think it's because of my lack of response to customer questions and probably the delayed shipping, because I did list some things this weekend, probably about 10 items over the weekend. My lister, she drafted some items, I listed some of those, I made those active. I have a few more to list, so I will be doing that either today or tomorrow. But yeah, I haven't got any sales, so I am going to put my store on sale tomorrow. What I have been doing though is house stuff mainly, not really anything pertaining to the business except for Amazon. I have been doing some Amazon stuff. Like, I'm about ready to launch my product, and I just set up my website for my product launch to help start building that brand, and we'll see how that goes. I'm not going to release that right now because I want it to build by itself, and I don't want any negative feedback on it from whoever. I just kind of want it to build by itself. I don't want it to build because of me or what I'm doing and promotion and all that stuff. I want to try to do the Facebook ads and do the marketing for it just solely based on the product and the brand itself. And then once I get some traction, I'll share it on my YouTube channel, because I want to be completely transparent and share what my product is. I strongly believe that if you're building a brand for your products, then why not share what your products are? And I watch all these Amazon FBA people, and they talk about how, you know, they make all this money off of these products and they're building brands and blah blah blah, but yet you will not see not one of them share it. And I understand why. It's probably for the same reason why I don't want to share mine right now. But then how can you believe what they're doing, you know? So that's why I'm going to share mine, and I'm going to share my blog, because I'm gonna be blogging more exclusively on srgreviews.com. So that website isn't active yet, but I will be blogging on there about different products and giving reviews. So I'm gonna have 2 different websites. My other website that I'm gonna have, and it is active, is Money Evolution Enterprise, and that one I'm gonna switch around because it's still based on the old company kind of objective, which was marketing and branding, and I'm still very interested in that and building that business. But Money Evolution Enterprise is more about growing your money and helping people grow their money. So that's what I want to focus that website on, because when I first launched it, it was more of, oh, I'm building this company for marketing and promotions of underground artists, and it was great, but the name probably wasn't really good for that kind of business. And so I'm going to switch that website around and make it more of my reseller kind of website and growing your money and personal finance and that kind of stuff. I have another website, I think it's helporganizeyourmoney.com, no, .wordpress.com. I don't have the domain, so that's why I don't use that. I haven't built on that, but yeah, look that up if you want to too. So anyways, enough about all the website stuff and talking about all that, I am right now heading over to the college so I can study for that exam, for that class. I'm hoping to get an A, so we'll see how that goes. If I don't, then yeah, I'll probably have to retake this class, and it'll be the first time ever that I failed. But at least I didn't give up, right? Anyhow, so yeah, I just want to give that update about my business. I want to focus on managing my time more. I mean, I keep writing these schedules and redoing them and doing them, and I just need to block out the time more so than look at every hour or look at every minute, because that makes it really hard to stay on top of. And I need to also, on the weekends, not lag so much. I've been kind of just chilling with my daughter or my significant other, and I just need to really focus on what I want to do and my passions and building my businesses, because that's really what I want to do. I believe that the way you build your businesses is from consistency, and right now my consistency is so I need to work on that. And yeah, stay tuned. I'll come back to this vlog. Okay guys, so I'm leaving the college. Just got done studying for like 4 hours, but the whole time I was there, I was only studying on one chapter, and I have to study 4, so I still have more to do. I'm taking a different approach this time on studying. Last time, for the first exam, what I did was read all the chapters at the last minute. So there was like 4 chapters, and I read them all. Well, I read 3 of them the night before. I didn't get to the last. This time, I have read some of these chapters already, and I paid attention during lecture notes in class, and I wrote some notes, and she did some examples. So this time I'm going back over those lecture notes, over the PowerPoint, and basically reading the PowerPoints and the lecture notes and rewriting them so that I can remember. So we'll see where this takes me. I really need an A on this exam for international accounting, but it's so much information and everything sounds so similar that it's kind of hard to retain all of it unless it's something that you're talking about on a daily basis. These next chapters should be a little bit easier because it's like revenues and liabilities and contingent liabilities and assets like accounts payable, accounts receivable, and then liabilities such as accounts payable. So I'm really familiar with all of that. I have a good handle on that as far as GAAP accounting, but comparing it to international accounting is a little bit different. With international accounting, I'm going to do a video about the difference between the temporal method and the current rate method, just to help me remember what all that stuff means, and to also put that information out there for someone who needs a better explanation of what that stuff means in order to remember it, because the way my teacher explains it, I can't really remember. It's just so much, if this, then that, if this, then that. So yeah, anyways, that was my day today. Just work, school, study. Now headed home, gonna eat and work out, study some more, then go to sleep. So if you like my video, please like, subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. Anyhow, I gotta go. Have a great night. Bye.